A massive wave of protest has ignited as thousands of Rajasthan's farmers and local citizens lead a 5,100 tractor rally to save the ancient Aravalli Hills. The outrage stems from a recent Supreme Court ruling that limits the definition of protected Aravalli Hills to only those landforms rising 100 meters or more. This decision effectively strips legal protection from nearly 90% of the range, opening the door for mining mafias and real estate developers to level smaller ridges. Public reaction has been intense, with environmentalists and political leaders calling it a death warrant for North India's climate shield. Protesters are demanding an immediate review, warning that destroying these hills will cause a permanent water crisis and accelerate desertification toward Delhi.